Welcome back to Banoris Crafts. Today we're making these beautiful crochet earrings. Super easy and perfect if you're just starting out. For this sample and the tutorial, I'm using a medium yarn and a 5mm hook. Let's dive in. Start with one magic ring around the finger. Chain 3. In the ring, work 16 double crochets. Pull the yarn tight. Insert the hook into the first stitch and using a different color yarn, work one slip stitch. Chain 3. In the same stitch, work one double crochet. Work 2 double crochets in each of the next 7 stitches. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying the tutorial so far. Chain 1. Work one single crochet in each of the next stitches. And that's it. Here's how to make these super easy earrings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.